my name is Roger Will. I'm with Best in Class Magazine. I'm a staff writer, and I'm here with Ben Cooper. He's the owner of Sensible Baby. They have a new product that's come out that's pretty exciting. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your product?
Sure, yeah. So what we have here is the first smart sleep monitor for infants. And what we're able to do is really kind of get into the bed with the child and provide that information to parents easily on their smart device.
So how'd you come up with this idea? It's pretty unique.
Yeah, so my co-founder and I, we're both parents. And like many other parents, you know, we would sneak into our children's room in the middle of the night and hover over them. Are they still breathing? And fortunately, when we found out they were, you know, we had to tiptoe out so we didn't create any more problems. And we just thought there had to be a better way. There had to be a way for us to get the information we needed, get the peace of mind we needed, without actually being there.
Yeah, it's a great idea because especially, you know, babies get sick all the time. And being able to have something that actually monitors the baby when the child's actually sick is so important, don't you think?
Absolutely. I mean, with the video and audio monitor, it's great. You can hear them, you can see them, but it's not going to tell you exactly what happens when it happens. You got to monitor the monitors themselves.
It's a great concept. I love what you're doing here. Maybe you can explain how it actually works here.
Yeah, sure. So what we have is we have the actual sensor. This is what it looks like. And then we have an infant onesie. The onesie has a specially designed pocket on the chest. The sensor goes into the pocket on the onesie. And then all a parent needs to do is literally in a matter of 2 clicks, connect with the device via Bluetooth Smart, and then you have a dashboard of information. You're able to monitor the temperature around your child, see what their orientation is. Are they on their back? Are they on their stomach? And then, is there any movement? Are they still breathing? And if anything goes outside of these parameters that you set, because you can fully customize it, it will send you an alert to your smart device saying, hey, go check on them, they rolled on their back, or they rolled in their stomach, or it's too hot.
So how many outfits comes with the product?
Yeah, so a customer would get 3 onesies, a single sensor, and access to the app. And it's a self-contained system.
And what's the MSRP?
So we're looking at a price point of $149.99.
Okay. And if someone wanted to reach out to you, how would they go about doing it as far as getting the product?
Yeah, sure. So they can go to our website at mysensiblebaby.com. You can also send us an email at info@mysensiblebaby.com.
Hey Ben, I wish you the best of luck. It's a great product.
Thank you so much, Roger. I appreciate it.
I think you're going to do really well.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.